Laren and Sonia here at Plant 112. We found out that at the end of an order it takes roughly 5 minutes to wrap up a part and prep a new skid. At the end of the order, the operator would have to come down, check the last piece, fill out paperwork, and scan out, which took roughly 7 minutes. Once those 7 minutes were up, they would go back down and set up for the next 15 minutes. The inspector would stand down here and clean and occupy their own time temporarily. We have now developed a training action plan that's going to train all inspectors on how to check a part to a Mylar. They'll know exactly what a good size is, good hole location, everything that makes a good quality part. They will take over all the paperwork and scanning, so that way the operator can stay down there and keeping the machine moving. We did a time study and found out last month that the first 2 weeks without any changes, we ran a 92.25% average. When we made our adjustments, the last 2 weeks of the month, we ran a 99% average. Going plant-wide with this, we're looking at saving a total of 68 hours.